guys, running Kimono here. So went back to Walgreens today. There was a deal I just could not pass up with IBOTTA. Lots of little IBOTTA deals here with the clearance haul. I did see that at a store I was visiting today, they had a bunch of signage saying that 90% today was the last day. Some stores are doing it a little bit longer, so it depends how fast the stuff is moving and all that good stuff. And I do have some new things to talk about clearance-wise. And then I do have a couple Meijer IBOTTA rebates. I was trying to finish one of those, you know, do 30 rebates, get back $10. And with the purchase of all this good stuff, I actually accomplished that. And this is at Meijer grocery store. So if you're from the Midwest, hang out till the end and we'll go through the nitty gritty. You still have till Saturday to do these deals. And weather report for you guys, a beautiful day. Hi to my mama, she's watching. And let's talk about Walgreens. So the first deal, if you can do this by Saturday. So Saturday, this deal is over. It is to grab one of these 128 fluid ounce jugs of the PUREX detergent. So they are not messing around with this one. It is massive. This is like laundry soap for a really long time. This guy is $7.99 this week. You have a $2 digital coupon, so you're gonna have to look through that through your digital coupons folder on the Walgreens app. So it drops it down to $5.99. What I would personally do if I was you, use 5,000 points, pay 99 cents out of pocket. IBOTTA has a $5 rebate for this guy. So check your IBOTTA app if you have that $5 rebate. So it makes it 99 cents after everything is said and done for a massive container of PUREX. If you have been so lucky and you've been scoring these free gums, I had it at the front of my video yesterday for my clearance finds. Let's not forget, for each one that you're grabbing, there's a 50-cent rebate on IBOTTA for this Trident Vibe. How wonderful is that? Now, a really nice subscriber yesterday pointed it out to me that these cutters that are on clearance for 69 cents or 59 cents, depending which one you grab, there is a 55-cent IBOTTA rebate, so it makes it really inexpensive. I think this guy is like, I don't know, like 11 cents, and this guy is 9. So absolutely submit your receipts to IBOTTA if you went and bought this, because you will get it on the cheap. And the limit for cutters is 5. Limit for Trident is also 5. Make that IBOTTA coin. Two other little IBOTTA deals, these Mead 5-star folders. These were 22 cents each. So for 2 of them, it's 44 cents. IBOTTA had a rebate that $1 back when you buy 2, so that's a little 66-cent money maker. Nothing special, but just a little folder. And I know that at the one store I visited yesterday, these were not included. At another store I visited today, they were also bringing up 50%, but the manager's like, you know what? Since you're buying all this other stuff, we will just give it to you for 90, which was like super decent. Young guy too. Usually they're the ones that are like, get out of here. But he was so cool and nice. And I was like, oh my gosh, are you serious? And he's like, yeah, no problem. And so he gave them to me for 61 cents each. So for 2 of them, that was $1.22. There's $1 back when you buy 2 on IBOTTA. Plus there's also a Saving Star rebate for $1 back when you buy 2. So let's see if I get both of them. So like this alone, how fantastic is that? And these little folders as well. So get your IBOTTA and Saving Star coin with this deal. So other little fun in the sun sort of things that I grabbed, or the back to school, are these backpacks for 79 cents. I only got 6 of them. I got 9 yesterday. It's an item I really want to donate for Toys for Tots this November, December. So, you know, some more backpacks. And then a really cool find that I found also are these West Loop, which is a Walgreens brand, and it's just these summer socks. My mom always likes these sort of fun socks. I'm gonna save a couple for her. And they were 39 cents for a pack of 3. So I got 10, and I used points for all of this, and very delighted with these finds. And like, how cute are these? Next store that we have is Meijer. Meijer is here in the Midwest. And I'm just gonna jog you through these deals. If you need to do some IBOTTA rebate deals and you know, you're just trying to figure out what to do, they have the $3 digital on your MPerks account, so maybe that's the way to go. So I got one of the more expensive Crest gum and one of the Crest charcoal. They are $7.49 each. So for two of them, that was $14.98. There's a $3 MPerk for gum, $3 MPerk for charcoal. So that subtracts $6 right there. So the new total is $8.98. Now I had two $2 cats from, or register rewards, whatever you want to call them, from the Larabar deal that I did last week. So I used two of them, subtracting another $4. So I paid $4.98 out of pocket, and IBOTTA is giving back $3 for this guy, $3 for this guy. That's $6. Plus I also got 2 rebates working for me. So that was perfectly fine for this little dealio. Okay, prepared to get confused. This one is really out there. So this is the shampoo you're gonna have to buy, shampoo and body wash for this little dealio. The first one is the $1 Suave shampoo or conditioner, the most generic of them. This guy for $1.89, which is the Suave Professional line. I got a 2-in-1. I got one body wash, one's men hair and body wash, and then one kid shampoo. $1, $1.89, $1.99, $1.99, $2.99. So the total for all of this madness is $9.89. Let's not forget the promotion that's taking place. Buy 2, get $2 off. Buy 2, get $2 off. This cheap one, not happening with this product. So, that's fine. The new total is $5.86, so $4 came off with the buy 2, save 2. And then I also had a buy 1 body wash, get this guy for free. Well, they're $1.99 each. I don't know which one was free, but $1.99 also came off. That coupon beeped, so the cashier had to run over and key it in, but it usually happens whenever you have a coupon more than $2 at Meijer at self-checkout. So after that, my new total was $3.87 for the 5. And then with IBOTTA, I got a quarter back for this, $1 back for this, $1 back for this one, and then $1 back for this one. So that was 4 rebates, which is like fantastic. So the final price point here is 62 cents for the 5 or 12 cents per, and it was 4 extra rebates for my basket to get me to the $10. And I think with this purchase, I got my $10. I was in there buying some groceries today. I found some of these disinfectant hand wipes. We're talking 75 for like $3.19. That's a killer deal, guys. Even though I don't have a coupon or anything like that, $3.19, I'll pay that all day, every day. And I was really happy to see a big stock of this. Usually when they get a very large stock of it, it gets depleted very quickly, but I got 2 of them. And then over, I don't know if this is just in the Midwest, but they have a store called Gordon Food Service, which is like a wholesale restaurant, that sort of place. These Purell, it's like a surface sanitizer for like cooktops or like just your house, basically. This is supposed to be the best thing to disinfect your home. And at GFS, it's the only store I know around me. They sell them for $5.49. So I was able to get 2 of them, and I was so pleased with this because I have been on the hunt for this since the springtime. So just a little couple, you know, paranoia level 19 items, and I was very delighted to get these. Okay, so I got an email this morning from Bath & Body Works that said that the 3-wick candles were on a buy one get one. You would get one for $24.50 and then get the second one for free. But basically they were, you know, $12.50 each, which isn't bad. Sorry, the one just popped up. It must be haunted or something like that. So I went with Dutch Apple Waffle. I was deeply curious about it. And I think I've mentioned it in other videos that anything with a heavy pumpkin fragrance, I'm not interested in. Unless it's my cat, you know, I can't really do pumpkin lattes, pumpkin this, pumpkin that. I think it's overdone and I've had it. I used to really like the pumpkin scent, but it's just not my thing anymore. But this one, has my interest, and this one I also think is just a home run of a candle. So I got these two. I also had a 20% off mailer that arrived at my house yesterday, so I got 20% off of that, which was an extra $2.45 off of each candle. So, you know, it shaked it out to like $9 and change for each of them. I've been kind of going candle crazy, but I've been using IBOTTA money to pay this little addiction, so I'm cool with that. Another thing that I saw that they had really loaded up on, so I wanted to get more of these, are the hand sanitizer. These little, they are $1.95 each, but when you buy 5 of them, you will get them for $8. So, you know, little savings. And I used the 20% off for these, and I ended up paying like $1.28 for each, which is a really great price point. So I got a whole bunch of these sunshine and lemon, and then 2 sweet peas. And then with the mailer that I received, I also got this, which is a dry hand relief. I had a free item, so I got this little hand cream for $7.50. And yeah, so anyhow, just a little haul. I'm not sure how long the buy one get one free promotion is going for the candles. You might want to look on the website or something like that. I think it might be a couple of days, but to get these candles for $12.50, throw in an IBOTTA gift card and you are laughing. And how you would get those mailers is to Bath and Body Works. When you're checking out, when they ask for your information, like an email or a phone number, just provide it, and then you'll start getting those coupons in the mail, which are fantastic. So I already used mine. So anyhow, guys, that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and peace. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.